Hey guys, welcome to Woodzman Adventures. I am Frank and we are here today on the Honda CRF 300L and it's time to lube the chain. Now, over the years I've lubed the chain with everything. I've tried all different kinds of chain lubes. Some of them are really messy. Some of them are great. I've used WD-40 to lube it. But the biggest thing about using WD-40 is it don't last long. WD-40, you put it on, it actually just dries out. It don't stay. And really need something to stay, and you need something made for O-ring chains. Well, at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, they have the Tusk First Line Chain Lube. And this stuff is safe for non-O-ring chains, for O-ring chains, just pretty much any kind of chain. I'm gonna actually try it out. I haven't used it before. And we're gonna spray it on here, and then I'm gonna let you know in a future video when I've been riding how this holds up. So the first thing you wanna do is make sure your chain is clean. You don't want to go and spray this onto dirt. You want to make sure your chain is clean and no dirt, debris, no mud, especially the sandy, gritty stuff. Clean it real good. You can use some chain cleaner, or you can actually use, like I do, I have some kerosene, and I use some kerosene just to clean it off. It works really good. And you need a good brush first, and you just spray the cleaner on, use the brush, clean your chain. Then you want to make sure that it's dry first. So I actually take a rag, go around and make sure it's dry, let it settle a while, and then I'll come back and spray on the Tusk First Line Chain Lube. Okay, so as far as using this chain lube, as I said, it is for O-ring or non-O-ring chains. You can use it without the needle and just spray it like this, but it's going to spray a wider, broader pattern, or you can use the needle. I use the needle to kind of focus it onto where I want to lube. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, if it's got a ball in there, kind of like a spray paint can, is shake it up good. And then, of course, you just take a rag. I do. Everybody does things different. I just want to hold a rag on there. I don't spin my chain fast. And I do it a little bit at a time. That way I'm not spraying a mess. And you definitely don't want to get the spray onto your brake pads. And then I just go a little section here at a time. You want to make sure that you get the lube in where the O-rings are. So you spray it kind of in the middle, kind of back and forth, and you'll go down into the O-rings and then down around the rollers. But the rag just is going to help keep the mess from happening so bad. And then once you get back around to where it's wet, you'll know that you're done. It's just that simple to put it on, and it should make your chain last a lot longer. Go ahead and I store my needle right back in here where it came out. That way I don't lose the needle. Okay guys, so there you go. Super simple to put this on. This is the Tusk First Line Chain Lube. So in the description you're going to see the link to my Rocky Mountain ATV MC affiliate page where you can get anything you need for your Honda CRF 300L. And the chain lube is going to be there. Now I make a little bit off this. It don't cost you no more on top of the price, but I make a little bit off of this. It helps the channel out. And I appreciate everybody using the link below. Check it out. So Rocky Mountain ATV MC has a full line of Tusk chemicals, from spray cleaners to contact cleaner to everything to polish your bike and make it look good and lube your chain. But thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. Click that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Right on.